Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we are going to teach you step by step how you can crop video clips in the Shotcut video editor in 2025. So let us get started. So head over to a video project on Shotcut and select your video clip positioned here on your timeline. So what you need to do, guys, is apply a cropping filter. To do that, select your video clip on your timeline, head over to filters, click into that plus button and look for a crop filter. You may use the search bar for that, type in crop and select your preferred cropping filter like circle or rectangle. Let me go with that rectangle. And after that, simply move that frame or that box, as you can see, and crop or apply a custom cropping. So do that by left clicking into one of its corners and simply apply the cropping just like that, for instance. So that's step number one. However, guys, if you export your video like that here, it will contain that black background here, as you can see. So what you can do as well on the second step is resize your video or your frame to get rid of these black bars here in the background. To do that, select your video clip again. Here, click into filters, click into the plus button to add another filter. In this case, here's the resize filter. To do that, use the search bar and type in size and select the size, position and rotate filter. Click into it to apply it. And now, guys, simply again move these or click into these corners to resize your image or your frame just like that to get rid of that black background. You may also click into that handle here to move your frame a bit, and yeah, simply adjust the size, resize it, the video clip, until you find your preferred setup and get rid of that black background just like that. So that's perfectly cropped and resized. As you can see, now you can export your video clip without that black background. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.